Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 15 keeps restarting itself. Before iPhone 16 is released, Apple's iPhone 15 is one of the most powerful devices that people are longing for. Though, a day will come that even iPhone 15 goes wrong and keeps restarting itself. Keep calm if you have the iPhone 15 restart problem, as we are here to help you. Maybe your iPhone 15 keeps restarting every 3 minutes. Perhaps your iPhone 15 keeps restarting over and over. It doesn't matter. Keep watching this video to discover what causes the auto restart problem and how to fix an iPhone 15 that keeps restarting on its own randomly. Here we go. So, why does your iPhone 15 keep rebooting itself? There are two main categories of problems: software and hardware issues. When it comes to the specific causes for endless restart on iPhone 15 with Apple logo showing on and off, here are some of them. The battery is low, degraded, or defective. Incompatible charging cables or other peripherals. A faulty app is plundering system resources. The operating system needs to be updated. There is a little storage space left on your iPhone 15. A cracked screen, stuck buttons or water damage. Now, follow the steps below in the order we present until you manage to stop iPhone 15 from restarting every few minutes or over and over. The users of iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max can use the same guide to fix the automatic restart problem. Step 1. Plug iPhone 15 into power. If there is almost no power left on your iPhone 15, the system should stop working and then automatically restart itself. Then, you'll see your iPhone 15 is restarting constantly on its own. For this, connect your iPhone 15 to a power source. See if your iPhone 15 stops rebooting over and over after it has enough power. Step 2. Unplug any peripheral. The next step is to check if the restart issue is related to an external accessory. If your iPhone 15 keeps restarting when charging, remove the cable. Besides, the phone case, screen protector, headphone and so on could also be guilty of triggering constant restarts. So, remove all of them if you have any. Step 3. Force restart iPhone 15 and delete faulty app. After excluding the possible culprits, power and external accessories, the next step is to make sure the system works properly. The method here is to do a force restart. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button and then keep holding the side button. When you see iPhone 15 stops rebooting and then shows the Apple logo again, release the side button. Now, see if the constant iPhone 15 rebooting loop issue is fixed. Step 4. Free up some storage space. If you find iPhone 15 keeps booting Apple logo after you recently check that the phone's storage is full or almost full, then it's time for you to clean up the storage. There are many ways, including to delete some unused apps, remove duplicated photos or videos, clear browser history, clear app cache, and so on. If you can't get in your iPhone 15 to spare more storage, then you can do a force restart first. If still no avail, then you have to move to Step 6 to do a reset. Step 5. Update iPhone 15 operating system to the latest. An iOS bug can sometimes lead to restarting loop on iPhone 15 unexpectedly. If you can still access your phone, just to go to Settings app, tap General, tap Software Update and tap Update Now to download and install the latest iOS on your iPhone 15. If you can't do anything on iPhone 15 because it keeps rebooting and repeats switching between the Apple logo and black screen, then put your phone into recovery mode to do the update. No worries. All the data stored on your iPhone 15 will keep safe and sound. Here's what you need to do. Open Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder on your computer after installing it. Connect your iPhone 15 to a computer with a cable. Then, on your iPhone 15, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Don't release when the Apple logo appears. Still keep holding. When you see the recovery mode screen showing a laptop and cable, let go of the button and go to the computer. Then, on the pop-up window from Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder, click the Update option. Complete the following steps until the application starts downloading and installing the most recent iOS on your iPhone 15 to fix the constant restarting loop. Now, your device should turn on without restarting randomly again. Step 6. Restore iPhone 15 to its factory defaults. This is the last option to fix iPhone 15 restarting repeatedly, as you'll lose everything on the phone if you don't have backups. If you can still access your phone, just go to the Settings app, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase all content and settings. If your iPhone 15 keeps restarting on its own over and over again and it doesn't turn on at all, then you'll need to put the device into recovery mode to do a factory reset. Here's what you need to do. Open Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder on your computer. Connect your iPhone 15 to a computer with a cable. On your iPhone 15, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, on the pop-up window from Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder, click the Restore option. Complete the following steps until the application starts restoring your iPhone 15 to its factory settings to stop the infinite boot loops. Step 7. Get help from technicians. If none of the steps above helps, it's time to check inside the phone's hardware. If you're new in phone technology, it's a risk to remove the screen by yourself to evaluate the problem. So, the advice is to get help from Apple's technicians to see the status of the internal components and check if one of them causes your iPhone 15 to keep restarting by itself randomly. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 that keeps restarting itself every few minutes or over and over. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.